Let's talk about a breakthrough in cancer detection that starts with just a single drop of saliva.
If you catch oral cancer at stage 1, the 5-year survival rate is thankfully really high.
But wait until stage 4, and that number just plummets. So early detection is literally life or death.
You can see it right here. It's a desperate race against time for both patients and doctors.
So the big question is, why aren't we catching it earlier? Well, there's a huge bottleneck.
It all starts with a ton of visual screenings that, just look suspicious to a doctor.
But there's no biological gatekeeper to sort out the harmless stuff from the really dangerous stuff.
And here's the kicker. Less than 4% of these screenings actually turn out to be cancer.
So you get tons of patient anxiety and a healthcare system that's just completely flooded. It's so inefficient.
Okay, so what's the solution? We need to move from just looking to using actual biological data.
And the key is this biomarker, MMP-1. It's a protein that spikes in your saliva when there's a tumor.
So, first cells change. Then they start making MMP-1. And finally, that protein ends up in the saliva.
This is why MMP-1 is the perfect biological gatekeeper. It sorts the good from the bad.
So scientists developed 2 platforms to catch this signal. They call it the EarlyFound test.
You've got one for big, high-tech labs and another for quick results, right there in the clinic.
This gives doctors options: super precise lab data or a fast answer right there in the office.
And for you, the patient, it's super simple. Just a painless saliva sample in a tube.
Okay, so does it actually work? Well, the clinical proof for this new approach is pretty incredible.
Get this. The test's performance is backed by data from over 1,700 actual clinical cases.
And its diagnostic accuracy, we're talking a solid 81 to 88%. That's huge.
But this might be the most important number, a super high negative predictive value, or NPV. It means doctors can confidently tell a patient you don't have cancer. Talk about peace of mind.
So we're really moving from an anxious, invasive past to a much more confident, non-invasive future.
And this isn't just some theory. EarlyFound is already being used as a new standard of care worldwide. This whole revolution leaves you with a really hopeful question. What else can we find hiding in our saliva?